Hello dear friends, welcome back to Konu's online classes. In the last session we are discussing the chapter linear equation in one variable. In that chapter already we have solved two exercises. In those two exercises, in the first exercise you have solved how to find the value of the variable, the simple problems we have solved there. And in the second exercise we have solved verbal problems. It means they have given you statements and using those statements you have formed the equation, then you have solved the then you have got the value of the variable in the second exercise. And in the third exercise you are again getting problems based on finding the value of the variable, which you have solved in the first exercise. But there in the first exercise only in the LHS part or in the RHS part you are getting the variables. But here in the third exercise, on both LHS and RHS you are getting the variables. First you have to move them to the one side, then you have to find the value of the variable here. So let us discuss problems from the exercise 3.3. In that first one, the question they ask you, solve the equation and check your results. They ask you to find the value of the variable and then you have to verify it. In that first one, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here in these type of the problems, x terms you have to make one side and constant terms you have to make one side. 3x, this plus 2x if you bring this side, minus 2x is equal to 18. In 3x if you subtract 2x, you will get x is equal to 18. The value of the variable is 18. Verification. Check your results they have told you. It means you have to make the verification. X value you have to substitute in the given equation. 3 into x is 18 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. 3 into 18 is equal to 54 is equal to 2 into 18 36 plus 18. 54 is equal to 36 plus 18, that is also equal to 54. LHS is equal to RHS. So like this you have to make the verification in each of the problem. So let us go for the next one. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Make variables one side. 5t plus 3t if you bring this side, minus 3t is equal to minus 5, and minus 3 if you take that side, plus 3. In 5t if you subtract 3t, you will get 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Two numbers are there but having the unlike signs. At that time you have to subtract them. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the bigger number sign is minus. You have to keep the bigger number sign. T is equal to minus 2 into 2 if you take that side, divided by 2. 2 ones are. T is equal to minus 1. This T value you have to substitute, verify in the given equation. Verification. 5 into T value is minus 1. Minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. In place of T I have substituted minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 both are having like signs. If both are having like signs, you have to add them and put the bigger number sign. 5 plus 3, 8, bigger number sign is minus. Here also both are having like signs, it means same signs, add them. 3 plus 5 is 8, bigger number sign is minus. It means LHS is equal to RHS. Next, third one, 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Make the variables one side and constants one side. 5x plus 3x if you bring this side, minus 3x is equal to 5, you have to keep it as it is, plus 9 if you take that side, minus 9. 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x, 5 minus 9, it is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 divided by, into 2 if you take that side, divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, x is equal to minus 2. You have to make the verification. In the verification, in place of x in the given equation, you have to substitute minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus into minus is minus 3 to the 6. Both are unlike sign. Minus 10 plus 9. Subtract them. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bigger number sign is minus, which is equal to 5 minus 6. Again both are unlike signs. Subtract them. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bigger number sign is minus. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next fourth one. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Again take the variables, make the variables one side and constants one side. 4z, this plus 2z if you take this side, minus 2z is equal to 6 plus 3 if you take that side, minus 3. In 4z if you subtract 2z, you will get 2z. In 6 if you subtract 3, you will get 3. Z is equal to 3 into 2 if you take that side, divided by 2. The value of z is 3 divided by 2. Make the verification. In place of z, you have to substitute 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 into bracket 3 divided by 2. 2, 2 and 2 and 2 2s are. 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 get cancel here, only is left 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. LHS is equal to RHS. Next, fifth one. 2x and bring that minus x this side. Plus x is equal to 14 as it is. Minus 1 if you take that side. Plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Therefore, x is equal to into 3 if you take that side, divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 5s are. X is equal to 5. And make the verification. In place of x, you have to substitute 5. Minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x plus you have to substitute 5. 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 14 minus 5. Which is equal to 9. In 14 if you subtract 5 you will get 9. 10 minus 1 is how much? 9 is equal to 9. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. If you get the x value correct, at that time you will get both LHS and RHS are same. If you make any mistake here in the question or while finding the answer, at that time you will not get LHS and RHS equal. If you get equal, you have to clarify that your answer is correct. And next one, 8x plus 4 you keep it as it is, because in the RHS we are having bracket. First you have to remove the bracket there. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 7. Don't multiply this 3 for 7 because this 3 is only for this bracket, not for 7 there. And 8x and bring that 3x this side, minus 3x is equal. In minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 means you have to subtract that. 7 minus 3, 4. And this plus 4 if you take that side, minus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. X is equal to 0 divided by 5. Into 5 if you take that side, divided by 5. X is equal to 0. Next you have to make the verification. In place of x, you have to substitute 0. 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 into bracket 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 into 0 is 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7. 0 plus 4 is 4 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 7. 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 7 is how much? 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, 7th one. X is equal to 4 by 5 into bracket x plus 10. First we have to remove the bracket here. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x is 4 by 5 x plus 4 by 5 into 10 is 4 by 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Bring this x variable this side. If you bring this all this side, x, this plus 4 by 5x, if you take this side, minus 4 divided by 5, x is equal to After cancelling 4 into 2, you will get 8. Here, the LCM is 5. If there is no number means 1 here, 1 into 5, 5 into 1. 5 into x is 5x minus 4 into 1, 4 into x is 4x is equal to 8. In 5x, if you subtract 4x, you will get x is equal to 8. This divided by 5, if you take this side, into 5. X is equal to 5 8s are 40. The value of x is 40. Substitute this x value in the equation and check whether you get the LHS is equal to RHS. Verification. In place of x, you have to substitute 40 is equal to 4 by 5 into bracket 40 plus 10. 40 is equal to 4 by 40 is equal to 4 by 5 bracket 40 plus 10 is 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are 40 is equal to 4 into 10 40. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next 8th one. Again make the variables one side. 2x divided by 3. This plus 7x divided by 15. If you take this side, minus 7x divided by 15 is equal to 3 as it is. This plus 1 if you take that side, minus 1. Take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. 3 5s are 15 1s are. 5 into 2x. 10x minus 7x into 1 is 7x. 3 minus 1 is 2. 10x minus 7x it is 3x is equal to 15 if you take that side. 2 into 15. 3x is equal to 15 2s are 30. X is equal to 30 divided into 3 if you take that side, divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 10s are. X is equal to 10. The value of x is 10. You have to make the verification here. In place of x, you have to substitute 10. 2 into 10 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 divided by 15 plus 3. 2 into 10 is 20 divided by 3 plus 1. 7 into 10, 70 divided by 15 plus 3. 5 3s are 5 1s are 5, 2 remains 20, 5 4s are 20. LCM is 3 here. 3 are multiplied for this. 20 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 14 divided by 3 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23 divided by 3 is equal to 14. You keep it as it is plus this 3 are to multiply with this one. 3 3s are 9 divided by 3. 23 divided by 3 is equal to 14 plus 9. 23 divided by 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Next one, 2y, you keep it as it is. Take this minus y, this side, plus y is equal to 26 divided by 3. This plus 5 by 3, if you take this side, minus 5 divided by 3. 2y plus 3y is 2y plus y is 3y is equal to, both the denominators are same. At that time, you have to subtract the numerator. 26 minus 5 divided by 3. 3y is equal to 26 minus 5. It is equal to 21 divided by 3. Y is equal to this 3. If you take this side, divided by 3. 21 divided by 3. Already 3 is there in the denominator. This 3, if you take this side, divided by 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Cancel. 3 3s are 3 7s are 7 divided by 3. The value of y is 7 divided by 3. Make the verification. In place of y, 2 into y value is 7 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3. 26 divided by 3 minus 7 divided by 3. 2 into 7, 14 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3. 26, both the denominators are same, subtract the numerator. Both the denominators are same, add the numerator. 14 plus 5 is 19 divided by 3 is equal to 27. 26 minus 7 is 19 divided by 3. LHS is equal to RHS. In the last one, M you have to make one side. Here observe 3M, 5M. In the LHS we are having 3M, in the RHS we are having 5M. While you are solving these type of the problems, better you have to take a variable having less coefficient to the variable having the more coefficient. It means here less coefficient is 3M, that you have to move to right side. Suppose if this right side term having a variable less coefficient, that you have to bring it to left side. But here left side is having a less coefficient, that you have to move it to right side. And bring that minus 8 by 5 this side. Minus 8 by 5 if you bring this side, plus 8 divided by 5. 5M you have to keep it as it is, plus 3M if you take that side, minus 3M. 8 divided by 5 you have to keep it as it is. In 5M if you subtract 3M, you will get 2M. And bring that to this side. 8 divided by 5 into 2 is equal to M. Into 2 if you take this side, divide by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Therefore M is equal to, what is left? 4 divided by 5. You have to make the verification here. 3 into M value is 4 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 divided by 5 minus 8 divided by 5. 3 fours are 12 divided by 5 is equal to 5 fours are 20 divided by 5 minus 8 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5, the denominators are same, subtract the numerator, 20 minus 8 is 12 divided by 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Like this, you have to solve problems based on this. Here, just you have very simple problems. First, you have to find the value of the variable, then you have to verify them. While verifying, if you get LHS and RHS are equal, at the time the value, whatever you have got, that is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. So, like this, you have to solve the problems. In the next session, we will discuss verbal problems based on these linear equation in one variable. Okay, thank you.